CIET NCERT presents audiobook Our Wondrous World, textbook of environmental studies for grade 4.
Page 1, Unit 1, Our Community, About the Unit. We all depend on each other in some way or another. We live in our communities, sharing space and resources. Regular interactions and celebrations enrich our bonds, creating a sense of belongingness. Communities thrive on cooperation, communication, and mutual respect in their social and natural surroundings. Students explore community institutes around them, including schools, hospitals, banks, and markets. They understand the role of people, tools used, and their contribution to the development of a more inclusive and sustainable society. They get familiarized with how transportation helps in the movement of people and various goods. Similarly, they also learn how the communication has improved steadily. With time, both transportation and communication have improved connectivity. They develop a sense of direction and ability to locate various places through landmarks by drawing, sketching, identifying, and reading maps. At the bottom of the page, there is a picture showing the community meal in which few people are sitting, few people are handing over banana leaves, and volunteers are serving food. The people are sitting together, eating, talking, and enjoying food. Page 2, Note to the teacher. This unit consists of Chapter 1, that is Living Together, and Chapter 2, that is Exploring Our Neighborhood. The key concepts covered in these chapters are listed as Chapter 1.1 Living Together helps students understand the community as a space of togetherness and interdependence. The story of Van Mahotsav helps students value their natural surroundings and public properties through mutual cooperation and care. Chapter 1.2 They also discover a culture of sharing and collaboration in all festivals celebrated by the different communities in the country. Students will learn to lead and work together, making a difference to their own life and the community. Chapter 2.1 Students look at various types of transports around them. They also learn about various modes of communication. They realize how transportation and communication have evolved over the years. Faster travels and communications have made significant changes to our lives and activities in their world. Chapter 2.2 Students will get to know the role of various community institutes. They also learn the basics of financial literacy by interacting with people in banks. They will learn to draw and read simple maps through a series of activities. They will also learn to identify landmarks and directions to navigate their surroundings. At the right side of the page 2, there are certain things that teachers need to facilitate. First, the teacher would arrange relevant low-cost materials like maps, charts, photographs, observation sheets, and other materials for activities. The teacher will organize short field visits to places like post offices, banks, and parks. The teacher will invite local skilled personnel such as gardeners, postal workers, or bankers for interaction. The teacher will guide students in mapping routes, making posters, conducting interviews, and participating in community tasks like cleanliness drives and tree plantations. They will help students to compare modes of communication in past and present and find out how the changes have enhanced the speed and ease of doing various activities. At the bottom of the page 2, there is a picture in which various modes of communication in modern world are given.
On the left side of the page, you will find a QR code. Scanning the QR code will take you to additional resources about this chapter.
Page 3, Chapter 1 Living Together. A tour around my village. My name is Chandan. I live in a beautiful village. There is a big playground near my house. After school, I go there with my friends to play kabaddi and other games. There is a big banyan tree at the corner of the playground, under which our elders gather to talk with each other. Come, Let me show you around. At the top of the page 3, there is a picture in which plantation drive is being carried out with kids under the guidance of adults. At the bottom of the page, there is a picture in which a scene from village is given. Page 4, right. Now describe the picture of the Chandan's village in your own words. Activity 1. Explore your locality, observe the people and places around you. Write your observations about how the people and places you see are connected to each other in the table given. In the table, you have 2 columns. In column 1, you have place or people, and in column 2, you have connections between people and places. The first row has shopkeeper. First point, sells goods like food items, clothes, and products for daily needs. Point 2, sells local products. Point 3, you have to mention yourself. Row 2, it is road. Point 1, it connects people living in different areas. Point 2, it allows easy movement of goods and services. Point 3, you have to fill yourself. Place 3, health center. Point 1, it provides treatment for illness. Point 2 and 3, you have to mention yourself. The fourth row is police. Point 1, it provides safety. Point 2 and 3, you have to write by yourself. Place 5, school. It has 3 points that you have to mention by yourself. Page 5, discuss. In this, you will have to discuss among yourselves. Point 1, why do you think it is important to have places like parks, schools, hospitals, and bus stops in your locality? Point 2, how would life be different if one or more of these places in your locality did not exist? Point 3, what can you do to keep these places clean and safe? People and places are part of our community. There are schools, markets, playgrounds, and roads that everyone uses. Public places are used for various purposes like playing, relaxing, and meeting others. People also come together to clean and decorate them on various occasions. These shared experiences bring us closer and create beautiful memories. Van Mahotsav, a festival of planting trees. Van Mahotsav was to be held soon and everyone was getting ready for celebrations. Chandan and his school friends were getting excited. John, on this Van Mahotsav, we will clean the park near our school and plant trees around the park. Mallika, my grandmother comes here with her friends every day for a morning walk. If we clean up the park and plant trees, they will enjoy their walks much more and will have a better air to breathe. Chandan, yes, let us invite our family members too for this celebration. Page 6. Do you know? Van Mahotsav, also known as the Tree Planting Festival, is celebrated every year in India during the rainy season, from 1st July to 7th July. People plant trees to protect the environment and make the earth greener. At the top of page 6, there is a picture in which kids are planting trees under the guidance of adults. Activity 2, page 6. Let us create a poster to help Chandan and his friends invite people from their neighborhood to participate in the Van Mahotsav. Helping hands in the community. Children were happy as their parents and other villagers joined in. Everyone wanted to make the celebration special. They gathered under the big banyan tree near the playground to plan out the festival. The parents decided to help too. Sheila, the park where we plan to hold the Van Mahotsav needs repairs. Samir, yes, the park has been part of our lives for years. I have some wood and nails at home. I can fix the benches in the park. Babita, I will repair the street light next to the park. Page 7. Noor, I will bring some saplings from my plant nursery. Then we will plant them along the boundary of the park. Babita, if we all work together, the park will be ready in no time. Van Mahotsav will be so much fun. Every villager came forward to contribute in some way or the other. At the top of the page, a picture is given in which local villagers are sitting and discussing about the planning of Van Mahotsav. Activity 3.1. Identify the people who help in maintaining your locality. What are their occupations? The space is given in which you have to put down your answers. Page 8.2. There is a table given. It has the list of different kinds of work required for developing and maintaining the park. Also mention the material, tools and skills required. The table has 4 columns. The first one has pictures of people at work. The second is about their occupation. The third column is about what they do. And fourth column is about the materials or tools they use for their work. In first row, the picture of a person is given who is building a wall. His occupation is mason. He bends walls using bricks and cement, and the tool he uses is trowel. Row 2, a person is cutting wood. So you have to mention his occupation in column 2 and what he does in column 3 and the tool he uses for his work. In the third row, the picture of a lady is given who is working with plants and flowers. So you have to mention in column 2 what is her occupation and what she does and the kind of tools she uses. Row 4, there is a person shown with broom. You have to tell his occupation, what he does and also the tools he uses. In row 5, there is a lady standing next to the electric pole. You have to tell her occupation, what she does and the kind of tools she uses. Point 3. Find out from your family members or neighbors about their work. What questions you can ask them. Here are some examples. A. What you like the most about your work? B. What types of tools or things do you use? C. What challenges do you face? Page 9. Celebrating Van Mahotsav. The children gathered in the park with their families to celebrate Van Mahotsav. Malika used a microphone to make announcements. Groups were formed for cleaning, planting saplings, watering, cooking, etc. Everyone worked together and helped each other. Now, the park looked beautiful with newly planted saplings, clean paths and painted walls. Community bridge across a river. In Kakar, Chhattisgarh, the Chinar River often overflows in the rainy season. Movement of goods and vehicles becomes very difficult. Reaching schools and hospitals become a major challenge. During one such rainy season in 2024, the entire community came together and built a simple yet strong bridge in just 2 days using bamboo, stones and other material. Now, students can reach their schools and villagers can cross the river easily. At the bottom of the page 9, a picture is given in which villagers are shown building a bridge using bamboo, stones, wood, ropes and other materials. Page number 10. Discuss. Point 1. It is important for communities to come together in times of need. What do you think about this statement? Point 2. Do people in your locality come together and support each other? Can you remember one such occasion? Just as the people of the village came together to solve a problem, our schools and neighborhoods also rely on people working together as a team. Do you know? An ant colony is like a big community of ants where everyone has a special job, just like in a human community. Some ants collect foods, others take care of the babies, and some protect their home. Just like how people in a community work together to make life better for everyone. Bees also function as a community, with each member having specific roles, such as gathering food, protecting young ones, and building hives. Sharing a meal. After the tree plantation, Chandan and his friends ran towards the place where food was being cooked. Vegetables and cereals were brought by the people of the village. The meal was a community feast to celebrate everyone's hard work. At the bottom of page 10, there is a picture of community feast being prepared by everyone, in which everybody is participating, kids as well as adults. Somebody is chopping onions, somebody is cooking the meal, somebody is preparing the banana leaves, and so on. Page 11. At the top of the page, there is a picture given showing the community feast going on. Everyone sat together to eat. Children handed out the banana leaves and other volunteers served food. Everyone chatted in excitement. There were jokes and laughter along the delicious food. After the feast, the leaves were disposed of in a pit. Do you know? Leaves buried in a pit become manure and it improves the soil quality. Right. Think about your family or community. How do you work together to help each other while preparing for a festival or any other occasion? The space is given in which you have to give your answer. Page 12. Do you know? Uruka, the first day of Magh Bihu on the 14th of January, is a time of joy, feast and togetherness in Assam. On this day, people come together to build a hut using bamboo and hay called Bhela Ghar. The celebration ends with a big feast where they cook, eat and dance together. At the top of the page, a picture of Magh Bihu is given. The first day Uruka is shown where people are sitting together and enjoying the feast. In the background, Bhela Ghar is shown that is being made with bamboo and hay. The Van Mahotsav celebration came to an end. Everyone was tired. Yet, they felt happy that they had worked together and made the park beautiful and inviting. The children decided to take care of the park from then on. At the bottom of the page, a picture is given of the playground where kids are playing football and a girl is on the swing. Page 13. Do you know? In Sikkim, when it is time to harvest crops, people come from the community together to help each other. These people who are specialists in agriculture are called Khetala or Khetla. Such practices help in harvesting crops easily and inculcate a sense of bond amongst people. Discuss. Point 1. What are some of the ways by which we can take care of nature and our neighborhood? List a few. Point 2. How does helping others and working together make our community better? Let us reflect. Our school, our team. Point 1. Write the different role people play in your school. Teachers, students, caretakers, bus drivers, etc. At the bottom of page 13, a picture of a school is given with 6 boxes, in which one has to fill the name of people that play different roles in the school. Page 14. Table 1. In this, 2 columns are given. One is about person and the second is about how do they help in the school. Row 1. Teacher. A teacher helps students learn new things. Row 2. School bus driver. Now you have to fill and write the role they play in the school. The next 2 persons you have to fill by yourself and also tell about the role they do in the school. 2 questions are given here. A. Why is it important for everyone to work as a team in a school? B. What is your role as a member of your school community? Point 2. Form small groups of 4-5 students. Choose one fun activity to perform from the list given. A. Tree plantation. B. Cleanliness drive. C. Making artifacts with materials from nature. Something useful like a leaf plate or a decorative item like a garland. After the activity, fill a table. It has 4 columns. First column is about the group name. Second column is activity chosen. Third column is about the material used. And fourth one, what did you learn? The blank spaces are given that you have to fill. Page 15. Point 3. Match the riddles with their solutions hidden in the pictures. A. I am a place where people wait to catch a ride and not to be late. Buses come and buses go to places high and low. There is a space given for your answer. B. I keep letters far and near, with the stamps and parcels waiting here. Write a note, drop it in. What am I? Can you guess and win? A space is provided for your answer. C. I am full of colors, slides, sounds of feet, a place where people shop and meet. Fruits, vegetables, and other goods are found. What am I? Busy all around. A space is given for your answer. D. I am a place where you run and play, with swings and slides to enjoy your day. Laughter here is a common sound. What is my name? Have you found? A space is given for your answer. On the right side of the page, 4 pictures are given. One is of the place where fruits and vegetables are being sold. The second picture is about a playground where kids are playing. The third one is about the place where people are waiting for the bus. The fourth picture is about the post office where the postman is coming out with letters. Page 16. Choose a public place of your interest and create a similar riddle about it for your friends to solve. A blank space is provided for your answers. Point 4. Create 3 groups in the class. Each group would think about a situation in their locality that needs to be improved. Identify activities that can make a difference to the situation. This could be related to cleaning, helping others, organizing an event, etc. Complete the table given. Now, a table is given with 4 columns. First column is about group. Second column is about situation. Third column is about activity. And the fourth column is about your role. There are 4 rows. First row is about group 1. Second row is group 2 and the third row is group 3. And the blank spaces are given to fill in your answers. After completing the table, discuss and answer the following questions. A. Do you think working together can make your activities more useful? Give reasons. B. How will your involvement in these activities help the community? Point 5. Ask your family about any one special skill or craft. For example, basket making, wall painting, pottery that is famous in your region. The chapter 1 ends here.
Our Wondrous World. You were just listening to this audiobook, Textbook of Environmental Studies for Grade 4. Narration, Dr. Gauri Srivastav. Sound recordist, Virendra Rawat. Assistance in production, Arshad Ahmed, Chetna Sharma. Directed and produced by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.